Today we're going to be going over a pop machine switch for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be going over a pop machine switch for the UTC. And before continuing, make sure that you have your pop cartwheel switch. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So yes, this move is just a pop machine, but we're going to be obviously landing on the opposite leg. This one is good to get for your dive pop machine switches that we're going to be learning later on, which will eventually help out with your pop spider switches. And before we get into the breakdown of this move, shout out to Alan for making me think of using this question. But what is your go-to trick? I know mine for a long time was a cartful D-leg. I would throw it like anywhere I went, but now since I haven't tricked hard for super long, it's probably like a gainer or something. But let me know what your go-to trick is down in the comments below. All right, let's go ahead and break this move down. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a front side stance, looking at the ground, winding your arms back a bit. You're going to start to reach for the ground, jump off both legs at the same time, get those hips up slightly, start to step out with your scoot leg, and then switch legs, landing on the swing leg, finishing the move in a backside stance. Now, don't forget you can do this move with a spin in front of it. You can do it with a follow through at the end, or you can do it with a spin and follow through together. Get those for the combos. As for tips, just think about it as a pop machine, and then right after you're like about to land your pop machine or right in the middle of it, switch your legs and then land on the opposite leg. There's really not too much about this, just yeah. And as for progressions, you want to make sure that you have your pop front scoot switch. If you do not, you can click on that tutorial right there. Make sure you get that first and then come over here and try this one. Obviously, you're going to want a pop machine as well. That one is super useful. But if you want to understand the switch a little bit more, the pop front scoot switch is what's going to help you out the most. But without further ado, get those notes ready. It's study time, slow-mo time, let's go time. Hey, wait, hold on. Before you go out and train this move, there is a personally recommended video all for yourself right there, so make sure you check that one out. Also, if you want to see the newest video for this channel, make sure you click on latest video or newest video right there. But most importantly, if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can keep tricking with us, stay motivated, and above all, Upraiz.